Welcome back, guys, to our Level Up series. Let us look at the solutions of bi-weekly contest. So the first question of the contest was find the XOR of numbers which appears twice. So we are given with an array nums where each number in the array appears either once or twice. And what we need to do is we need to return the bitwise XOR of all the numbers that appears twice in the array. And if there is no number appears twice, so in that case we need to return 0. So the language of the question is very simple and it is clear. Let us look at the example of this particular question. The example was the nums which is given to us is 1, 2, 1, 3. The nums contains only three numbers 1, 2, and 3. One is occurring twice at index 0 and at index number 2, whereas 2 and 3 is occurring only once. So the numbers which are occurring twice is only 1. So we need to return the bitwise XOR of 1. So it will be 1 only. So our output is going to be 1. In example number 2, the nums was 1, 2, 3. There is no number which is occurring twice. All the numbers are occurring once only. So in this particular case, we are going to return 0. In the next one, the array was 1, 2, 2, 1. There are two numbers only, 1 and 2. Both the numbers are occurring twice. So we need to return the XOR of both of these numbers. That is 1 XOR 2, which comes out to be 3. So we will return 3 in this particular case. So I hope the question is very simple as well as clear to you all. So now let us look at the code of this particular question. What we did is, first of all, we have computed the size of this particular vector, which is given to us nums. We have made one map. Why we have made one map? See, whenever there is a first occurrence of that particular element in that vector nums, whenever there will be the first occurrence of that particular value in the vector nums, so in that particular case, that particular value would not be inserted in our map. So we will check for int I equals to 0 and less than size I plus plus. This check is the number at that particular index I. Int check equals to nums at the index of I. If mp.find check double equals to mp.end, when will this condition hold true? This condition will hold true when that particular number is occurring the first time in the vector nums. So in that particular case, this condition will hold true. Otherwise, if this condition is false, it means that particular number is occurring second time. So we have to take its XOR. So we will do answer equals to check XOR answer. Check is that particular value in the nums. Answer is the variable which we have initialized. We have taken it initially as 0 because if there is no value which is occurring twice, so we need to return 0. That is why initially we have taken the value as 0. And at the end, we are going to return the answer. So what is happening? Look at this particular example number 1. It was 1, 2, 1, 3. So whenever 1 will come, it is occurring the first time. So the first condition will hold. 2 is also occurring the first time. So the if mp.find 2 will be equals to mp.end. So the first condition will hold true. But when this third time, when this one second index 1 will come, 1 is already present in our map. So it is occurring the second time. So we will take its XOR. Answer equals to check XOR answer. So I hope the question is very much clear to you all. If the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.